Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to check IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the first way of checking this number via the secret code. We have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see in this pop-out window at the top of this window, we've got the IMEI number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now let me show you another way of checking the IMEI number. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will simply forget about it. So let's enter the settings. And in this left section, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now let's find this, or actually we do not have to enter any other section. My bad, because as you can see right here, we've got the IMEI number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.